today's video, we're going to be working on my 1993 Honda Del Sol. I need to change the radio in it, so I'm going to be showing you how to do a radio install. Alrighty guys, to start it off, I'm going to just do a walk around of the car, show you what it looks like for those of you that are new to the channel. This is a 1993 Honda Del Sol. We bought it back in 2018. And we've done a complete restoration on it. It used to be Samba green, but now it's got a beautiful blue paint job. We added the spoiler. I love how it looks. And here's the inside. I love this car, you guys. I have so much fun. I love to cruise it the most. The only problem that I have with it is the radio. There's no Bluetooth, which is a problem because I love to connect to music and listen to some really good music while I drive around. That's huge for me, so I really got to get this problem fixed. I'm going to show you guys how to install a new radio in the Del Sol. This is the radio that we're putting in the Del Sol. It's just your basic AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. I got it at Walmart for about 85 bucks. But we're going to go ahead and install it. The first step that we had to do was take out the center console. Those two pieces go up here, and there were 6 screws holding it in, so 3 on each side. That's the first thing that has to go, that way we can get to the radio. Alright, after you get the center console taken out, you gotta take out 4 screws. You can see 1, 2, and then there's 3 and 4. So we're gonna go ahead and take those out. All right, we got the 4 screws out. So now we just need to pull on this little black trim piece, kind of wiggle it out. All right, once you've got it out, you've got to take these out.
And the wiring harness for the stereo.
All right, simple as that. Now let's go ahead and unbox the new radio.
All right, and this is the adapter harness. So this is your factory plug.
Uh-huh.
Luckily, they didn't cut the factory plug and try to wire the radio. They used an adapter harness. So
Oh,
we'll have
okay.
to cut this harness off of this stereo, wire the new radio harness up to this adapter, and then it'll plug back in.
Okay.
And yeah, we'll have to take this stereo out of this piece and mount the other stereo into this piece so that way it'll mount back in.
Okay.
It's just
swap it out.
locking tabs right here on the side. They're hard to get with it in there.
Yeah.
Need a little flathead or something, but
Okay.
yeah.
All right, well, that's the plan. We've got the old stereo taken out of the case. So now we move on to the wiring harness. This is the adapter harness that was on the old stereo. And all we're gonna do is take the new stereo harness and match the colors to this one. And just connect them however way you choose. You just match the colors, twist them together, and we chose to solder them. That way they connect, but there's a few different ways you can do that. After you connect the wiring harness together, you want to take these two pieces apart. That way we can get the new radio installed in here. All you're going to do is push down these tabs that are connecting the two. And you want to make sure to leave it the right side up. So this dusty side should be going up whenever you install the radio. So I'm going to go ahead and get these two pieces disconnected, and then we'll get the new radio installed. Alright, I've got all of the tabs pressed, and I just wanted to show you guys that this scoots off the back. So you disconnect these two pieces like so, and now it's time to install the new radio into here. That way we can put it back in the Del Sol. Alright, we've got this installed on the new radio piece, and we folded up a few of the metal pieces to make tabs. That way it stays on. The new radio is installed into this. Now we just have to put the trim ring on, and then it's ready to go get screwed back into the Del Sol.
There you go.
Alright. Alright, let's go get it put back in.
Having those metal brackets.
Oh yeah, that helps a lot. Yeah, we did some maintenance to our jet ski holder.
Turned it from a sea-doo stand to a stand-up stand.
Yep, we have a lot of stand-ups, so we customized it and made it a little bit taller.
Thanks, Josh.
Yep, thanks, bro. But we're planning on putting the painted, really cool retro ski on here and keep it in the garage for now. Man, that valve cover is rough. Hopefully pretty.
Greg, why are you complaining about the valve cover?
Huh?
Busted.
What?
Looks great. Why are you complaining about the valve cover? It looks
Oh,
great.
come on. Compared to my old one?
Raw aluminum motor mount. It's all silver and black.
It needs a makeover, babe.
Oh. You got too used to the pretty valve cover on the other engine.
I know. It was so pretty. See it?
Color match to the car. It looked pretty cool.
I know. Oh, I miss that old engine. It was a ripper.
It ripped, all right. And then it RIP'd.
Yep. Got the
Alright.
wiring harness connected.
Moment of truth.
Now we're going to test it out and make sure everything works.
Wait, let me get it plugged in first.
Okay.
I feel like it's locked in, but I guess it is. Alright. Static's coming out.
Alright.
I don't even
It's
have.
got static and lights.
I didn't hook that up. Looks like it was a success. You now have a stereo with Bluetooth.
I'm so excited to go cruise tonight. It's going to make it a lot more enjoyable.
Yep, be able to connect your phone and play the music you want.
Definitely. Alright, the last thing we need to do is put this back in, reinstall it, put the screws back in to the 4 spots that I showed you earlier, and then reinstall the center console. Looks really good. There's only one thing left to do.
What's that? Yep,
Gotta get
Peel
the
off the
plastic
protector.
film off. Alright, we're ready to go cruise.
Nice, looks good.
Thanks, babe. Thanks for your help with the wiring harness.
Yep, no problem.
Alrighty guys, we've got the new radio installed and now we're getting ready to go cruise. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up here. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to give us a huge thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.